Because we can. We're just awesome. Being in TJ Maxx, just making a video. My hair looks like crap though. I'm not gonna lie. Fixing the base.
Everybody has cooler pants than me because you're wearing khakis. That's the best. Oh, that's awesome.
Why is everybody's pants cuter than mine? Because you're wearing khakis.
Yeah.
Do you need help with your sizes? Do you need help with your sizes? How about now? Do you need help with your sizes?
I really want to help you with your sizes.
Can I help you with your sizes? Can I help you with your sizes? Like, no, sir.
He was
I don't
good
need
looking, but that does not make up for his creepiness.
He's just like, hi, you want to know what my favorite cologne is? It's this one. It's like, okay.
What, do you want me to put it on?
I'm not doing that for you. I'm not like that, man. Sorry.
Just
I've already got my awesome Bath and Body Works lotion on.
I want to change my shirt, but you're taking a video.
I do like that shirt though.
Yeah, I just need like not this bra and not this stomach fat.
You don't have stomach.
Look at. Okay, you're still taking a video.
Okay.